to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some Urad Dal. Urad Dal is a thick soup made with split black grams. It is a traditional recipe of Kathiawad region of Gujarat and is commonly eaten with bajra ki roti or bajra na rotlo as they call it. It is very filling and can easily be eaten with any of the other Indian breads or rice or even on its own. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take 3/4 cup of split black lentils in a bowl. Wash it and soak it in whey. If you do not have whey, you can use plain water. Cover and keep aside for 2 to 3 hours. After that, the lentils should have got swollen and soft as seen. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and asafoetida. When the spluttering stops, add ground ginger and garlic and red chilli paste. Mix it well and saute for a minute and then add the soaked split black lentils. Mix it well. Add cumin, coriander and turmeric powder along with salt. Add sufficient water to cover it completely. Add the curry leaves, mix well and cook covered with the whistle on medium flame for 1 whistle. Then simmer for further 10 minutes. Allow the pressure cooker to cool sufficiently so that the pressure is released and the lid opens easily. Mix well and if required, add more water. Check to see the lentil is well cooked by pressing a grain between your finger and thumb and then add pasta sauce. Mix it well and bring to a boil. Then add coriander leaves. Boil for about a minute and then turn off the flame. Transfer to serving container and serve. I have served it with bajra ki roti, capsicum and potato sabzi and dry roasted papad.